Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Learn English through picture description. The image shows a playground scene during a bright, sunny day. A yellow sun with a smiling face shines brightly in the sky. In the background, green trees and bushes are visible. Two yellow birds are also flying and chirping happily near the trees. The playground structure is colorful, made up of purple, blue, orange, and yellow sections. The structure has stairs on the left side with a yellow railing for safety. The playground slide is orange and blue, curving gently downwards. A little girl with blonde hair tied in ponytails is standing at the top of the slide. She is wearing a red polka-dotted dress and red shoes. She has a joyful expression, her arms raised as she gets ready to slide down. A brown-haired boy is sliding down the slide with his arms in the air. He is wearing a white t-shirt and blue pants, and he has a big smile. Another girl with red hair tied in a ponytail is jumping near the slide. She is wearing a blue shirt with a heart on it, yellow pants, and blue shoes. A brown and white dog with floppy ears is happily running near the slide. The dog is playful, with its tongue out and tail wagging. A small orange cat with green eyes is also present near the slide. The cat appears curious and looks at the children playing. The playground is set on green grass with a clean, smooth surface. A few scattered bushes complement the lush background. The children appear cheerful, energetic, and are enjoying their time together. The park is well maintained, with clean equipment and vibrant colors. The atmosphere feels warm, bright, and inviting for kids to play. The clear sky and sunlight give a positive, cheerful vibe to the scene. The children's facial expressions show excitement and happiness. Each child is engaged in a different playful activity. The girl at the top of the slide looks adventurous and eager. The boy on the slide enjoys the thrill as he descends with open arms. The girl on the ground is jumping with her arms up, expressing excitement. The dog adds playfulness and energy to the scene with its enthusiasm. The cat seems calm but interested in the activities going on. The design of the playground equipment looks child-friendly and safe. The steps leading up the structure have yellow bars for grip and balance. The slide has smooth curves, ensuring a fun and safe ride for children. The bright colors of the playground equipment enhance the cheerful atmosphere. The trees provide a natural, scenic background to the playground. The birds in the sky add liveliness and animation to the picture. The sunlight shines brightly, indicating a warm, summer day. The children are dressed in comfortable, casual clothes suitable for playtime. The playground is spacious and allows children to move freely. The girl's red dress with polka dots adds a vibrant pop of color. The expressions on the children's faces convey pure joy and laughter. The picture portrays friendship, fun, and innocence. The green grass appears soft and well kept for safety. The animals in the picture indicate a friendly, pet-loving environment. The combination of nature, animals, and play structures creates a lively scene. The overall theme is about children enjoying outdoor playtime. The picture beautifully captures the essence of childhood happiness and fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.